All right, here we go. We got a shoulder shot-ish head skull. Shoulder shot simulation for y'all. We're hitting the bone, and then we have our compound behind it, which is made of jello rice. And to give it the most scientific internal organ feel, we're using kidney beans to give it that organ feel internals, and we're going to catch it in the genes behind here. So this is our simulation shoulder shot, hitting the bone, going through our simulated internals, and catching it, and we're going to see what happens. All right, here we go. Deer Season XP from Winchester, 243, 95 grain. At 100 yards, we are doing the simulated shoulder shot with kidney beans. So, we're just going to take a shot and see what's going on with this bullet when it's making impact and simulating hitting the innards and seeing what we have left. So, y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down. And there you go. You heard the pop. All right, here we go. As you see, we have lots of carnage going on. Nailed or shot. Boom. Which I'm guessing I went through the eye hole because this was not hit. So, and I squared up on that. I had to aim in here. It must have went through the eye. So we saved that for another day. Totally blew this up. Right here. Hitting, wham, coming in. You'll see it blew it out. Carnage everywhere. Through. Here we go. I believe I got the bullet. What's left of it. Right here. 243. First pair of jeans. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the shoulder simulation with the 243 Deer Season Winchester Deer Season XP, 95 grain, 100 yards, hitting the simulated innards with kidney beans. So it's not too bad at all. Forgot my scale at the house, but we can get y'all some measurements here. At 243, got it at 0.66 that way. We got it also at almost a half an inch the other way, top to bottom, not including that shard. 0.3. So that is not too bad at all. Let me see. There's to give y'all a reference to a quarter, what we're dealing with here. Right there. Not too bad. There's a 243 expansion hitting. That's what's going on when you're going inside. Right there. That's what you can expect. 243 is an underrated bullet by a lot of people understand it, and a lot of people think it's not enough. And this bullet is definitely more than enough.